Every journey begins at the source, where flavor is still growing.
Timing decides everything before a single machine is switched on.
When nature agrees, the harvest begins. Care at this stage protects everything that follows. Freshness moves fast in the open air. Scale meets precision in the field. Quality control starts long before the factory door. Thousands of individual fruits become one batch. Protection ensures purity on the road ahead.
Every crate carries a recorded history.
The factory is already calling. From soil to steel, the transition begins. Fresh tomatoes leave the land, carrying the promise of flavor. Distance is short, but timing remains critical. Every movement tests the integrity of the harvest. This route feeds more than one industry.
Human judgment still guides the chain.
Scale builds quickly when harvest peaks. Processing begins long before the gate. The environment changes, but the mission stays clear. Traceability protects both producer and consumer. This is where agriculture meets engineering. Every kilogram is accounted for. Data follows the product at every step.
Flow control keeps freshness intact.
The harvest has arrived at its next transformation. Inside, precision replaces unpredictability. Gravity starts the first controlled movement. Uniform flow prevents damage and delay.
Human eyes still catch what machines miss.
Only the best move ahead.
Field dust gives way to sterile steel. Cleanliness is measured in details. Technology prepares to make its judgment. Light, speed, and data decide in milliseconds. Nothing is left unaccounted for. Consistency is rebuilt after inspection. Final cleansing before transformation. Now, the real transformation begins.
Here, raw ingredients surrender to process.
Structure breaks, flavor releases.
Momentum replaces gravity. Heat awakens aroma and color. Science locks freshness in place. Texture is refined through motion.
Nothing useful is wasted.
Uniformity waits for the next command.
Salsa finds its character here.
Balance is engineered, not guessed. Individual elements become one voice. Consistency is the signature of control. The base is set, but refinement continues. Refinement is where character is protected. Stability prepares the product for precision. Flavor balance is chemistry in motion. Smoothness without silence. Control is knowing when to cool. Time finishes what machines begin. Freshness makes its last entrance. Restraint preserves authenticity.
Safety is confirmed silently.
Purity has no shortcuts. Purity has no shortcuts. The product now meets its container. Packaging begins with alignment. What began in soil is ready to field. Automation turns consistency into certainty. Accuracy is watched, not assumed. Clean edges protect every seal.
Order is engineered from chaos.
Sealing locks in months of work. Silence confirms success. Heat delivers safety without compromise. Control lives in gradients.
Stability returns before the journey continues.
Identity is applied with precision. Traceability seals accountability. Perfection moves forward. The product leaves automation, ready for the world.
Packaging gives structure to distribution.
Order prepares for enclosure.
Machines move with practiced confidence.
Nothing extra, nothing missing. Closure completes the unit. Information travels with every case. Flow pauses only to reorganize. Stability is built one layer at a time. Protection prepares for travel. Traceability scales upward.
Human and machine share the load.
Finished product enters its waiting phase.
From raw harvest to finished form, the journey nears completion.
Before release, proof is required.
Trust is built on verification. Testing follows the product's trail.
This is where certainty is measured.
Even testing follows strict rules.
Balance is confirmed numerically. Texture has a measurable language.
Safety checks go beyond sight.
Time continues to test the unseen.
Human senses still have authority.
Numbers agree with expectation. Approval unlocks the next movement. The product is cleared to travel.
Approval sets logistics in motion.
Demand dictates direction.
Precision prevents delay.
Travel tests every layer.
Timing brings everything together.
The next journey waits.
Infrastructure completes the path. Handled carefully, even at speed. Stability protects reputation.
Paperwork moves as fast as product.
The seal marks commitment. From factory floor to open road. The product's story continues beyond these walls. From controlled systems to open roads. Distance is shortened through coordination.
Speed replaces storage.
One product, many destinations.
Some journeys cross oceans. Systems connect across industries.
Momentum carries consistency.
Global scale begins here.
The factorial's reach expands worldwide.
Closer to the customer.
The process becomes invisible.
What remains is only flavor.
And this is how modern factories produce salsa from start to finish.